Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Sandhya Karthikeyan here. Now the next question is what makes Playwright a good choice for modern web automation? This is similar to the questions what we discussed in the previous video, but here we're going to see in detail. To answer this question, what is the structure we have to follow? The first one is definition of Playwright and what are the key benefits of it with example and the comparison of the already existing automation tools. What is the definition of Playwright? Playwright is a modern open source browser automation and end to end testing framework which was developed by Microsoft. Let's see the key benefits. The first one is multi browser support. With a single API, Playwright can automate Chromium, Firefox, and WebKit browsers. For example, you can write one test script and run it against all three browsers just by changing the browser name in the config. Catching the browser specific bugs yearly without writing separate scripts for each one. Second point, cross-platform support. Test can run on Windows, Linux, macOS without major changes. For example, a test suite written and run locally on a developer's Windows machine will run the same way on a Linux-based CI/CD server without needing to rewrite or reconfigure the test. Third point, multi-language support. It supports JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, Java, and .NET and making it suitable for different language stacks. For example, if a company's background team works in Java and the front-end team works in JavaScript, both teams can use Playwright in their own language instead of forcing everyone to learn a new one just for testing. Fourth point, auto waiting. Playwright automatically waits for elements to be ready before performing actions and reducing flaky tests. For example, if a button only becomes clickable after an API response loops, Playwright will automatically wait for that button to be visible, enabled before clicking it, instead of failing immediately or needing you to manually add sleep or explicit wait statements like in Selenium. Then the next feature is powerful features. It provides built-in capabilities such as screenshots, videos, tracing, network interceptions, file upload, download handling, and API testings. For example, when a test fails, Playwright can automatically capture a screenshot and a video of exactly what happened on screen. Plus, generate a trace file you can replay step by step, making it much faster to debug failures instead of guessing what went wrong. Network interception lets you mock or block API calls during a test. File upload, download handling lets you test forms that requires attaching files. Built-in API testing means you can validate backend responses directly without needing a separate tools like Postman. So, what is the example? In my automation project, I used Playwright to execute the same test suite across Chrome, Firefox, and CI/CD pipeline, which helped ensure consistent application behavior across browser. What is a comparison with the existing tools? Compared to Cypress, Playwright provides better browser coverage and supports multi-tabs and windows. Compared to Selenium, Playwright offers built-in auto waiting, what we discussed previously, and faster execution, more reliable test automations with less configuration. So finally, what is the conclusion of this? Because of its multi-browser support, multi-platform compatibility, multi-language support, and modern built-in features, Playwright is an excellent choice for modern web application and web automations. What's a shorter answer for this same questions? What makes Playwright a good choice for modern web automation? Playwright is a modern automation framework developed by Microsoft. It supports multi-browsers such as Chromium, Firefox, WebKit, runs on Windows, Linux, macOS, and supports languages like JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, Java, and .NET. Its built-in auto waiting and advanced features makes tests more reliable. Compared to Cypress and Selenium, Playwright provides better browser coverage and faster execution and easier maintenance, making it strong choice for modern web applications and web automation. Let's see what advantages does Playwright have over Selenium and Cypress in next upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.